Finishing up on hair and scalp care, focusing on hair coloring, color theory, types of hair color, lightener, and application. Let's start with hair color theory. We want to review the level system from 1 through 10, 1 being the darkest, 10 being the lightest. Also know what lives behind those levels, your contributing pigment, identifying the natural level, the definitions of tone, hue, and intensity, what are our natural and metallic hair colors, your hydrogen peroxide developers, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So make sure you go by the law of color and not by any of the color manufacturers like Wella, Joico, Pravana. Your lighteners, your cream, oil, and powders, your toners. Also make sure you know there's only 2 ways to color hair, single process and double process, and then applying the toner, right? Hair coloring techniques, cap, foil, biolage, and freeform, and also your highlights and lowlights. So your foils and your weaving, make sure you know that as well. Here we have our color wheel showing our primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. Our complementary colors live across from each other, so if you forget or have a brain freeze about the complementary color, just ask yourself what primary is missing. Like red, what primary is missing? Yellow and blue, which makes green. Or yellow, what primary is missing? Red and blue, which makes violet. Or orange, what primary is missing? Blue. Quick way to remember. Hair color comes in 2 categories, which is non-oxidative and oxidative. Our non-oxidative would be temporary color and semi-permanent color, and our oxidative category would be demi-permanent and permanent. Our hair color also comes in 4 classifications. Temporary color lasts up to 24 hours. Semi-permanent color lasts for up to 4 to 6 days or 4 to 6 weeks. Demi-permanent lasts 4 to 6 weeks. It fades to tone, and permanent color lasts forever. So my analogy for that is temporary color is your one-night stand. Semi-permanent color is your friends with benefits. Demi-permanent color is your boyfriend or your girlfriend. And permanent color is your husband, your wife, or your partner. Here we have a quick reference chart for color formulation for gray hair, so take a moment and look at that, and also look up the definition for pre-softening because you may have that as a question on your exam also. For our application, I'm for color, I'm hair for lax, and I hate bleach. So color is 1/4, relaxers is 1/2, and bleach is 1/8. And just one more thing with hair color. Make sure we know about our patch test. So our patch test is also known as our predisposition test. It's done 24 to 48 hours prior to hair color service. Is done behind the ear or inside the elbow. Our strand test is also known as our preliminary test. It can be performed before color, perms, and relaxers. There are 2 types of fillers, color and conditioner. Also make sure you review your safety precautions and know all implements, all your materials, how to prepare, your procedure, and also your post services. And look up your glossary terms and definitions for anything that has to do with color, because that is definitely a guarantee for your exams. If you want more content on hair color, please visit Quizlet. Search for Cos TDLR and Cos TDLR Exam Prep under Miss G at Ogle, MSG ATOGLE, and Kahoot, #TDLR Written Prep. Good luck on your exams. May the universe be in your favor.